As a primary admin, you have the ability to upload, view, or update policies for all HTML5 courses within your account. Most courses have the ability by default to have one policy added to them for review and acknowledgement by your users. The policy tool allows you to upload and map your policies to automatically show in the specific courses you want them to display in. To use this tool, log into the admin toolbox and click on Customize, and then click on Policies. Then, click the Add Policy button. You will need to create a title for your policy. Note, this will only be visible by you and the other primary admins within your account. Then, you will select the course that you want your policy to display in. You can only choose one course at a time, so if you want the same policy to map to multiple courses, you will need to upload it multiple times until you have it mapped to all necessary courses. Be sure to choose the exact course title that you are planning to assign to ensure proper mapping. Note, if a course does not show, that means it is not an HTML5 course, and you will need to contact our admin support team at help.everfi.com if you are a corporate compliance customer, or your customer success manager if you are a higher ed customer, to have your policy added to your course. For courses that allow more than one policy to be added, like our 2018 Harassment and Discrimination course, you will need to choose the appropriate policy type when adding your two policies. You will choose Harassment Policy for your Anti-Harassment Policy, and the Title IX Sexual Misconduct Policy for your Sexual Misconduct Policy. If you are a corporate compliance customer, you only need to upload a harassment policy for this course, as the Title IX portion is only applicable for our higher ed customers. All other policies will be mapped automatically as the harassment policy. So if you are prompted to choose a policy key for any other courses, please choose harassment policy to ensure proper mapping. To upload your policy file, you'll click on the Browse button and navigate on your computer to where the policy file is stored. Note, we only accept PDF files, so if it's saved as a Word document or other type of file, you will need to convert it to a PDF before uploading. Next, choose the policy file on your computer and click Open to select it. Once everything has been filled in and selected and looks correct, click on the Add button to save and add your policy. To edit an existing policy, click Edit next to the policy that you want to edit. Update the policy fields or file as needed, and then click Save Changes button to save your changes. Note, once a policy has been added, it cannot be deleted, it can only be edited or updated.